Several stray dogs sat outside the sweet shop, hoping that some kind person would give them something to eat. They wagged their tails and looked friendly whenever anyone walked by. One day, a royal minister came to buy sweets at the shop. He saw the dogs outside and, being a kind person, he patted one of them on the head. The dog immediately wagged its tail and followed the minister. As the minister went into the shop, the dog went in after him and stood around hopefully looking up at him. The owner was not in the shop when the minister came in, but he came running in suddenly through the door with a large packet of fresh sweets.
I knew it. I saw you come in. That's why I came running. You may be a big man in the court, sir, but I have heard stories of your trickery and pranks. What are you doing in my shop?
I've come to buy sweets, of course. Why else would anyone come to your shop?
Asked the minister, smiling at the shopkeeper.
I am sure you are up to some trick or another. And you have also brought your dog into my shop. How dare you bring that miserable, flea-ridden dog inside? Who gave you permission?
Said the shopkeeper.
Wait a minute. Who said this is my dog? He sits outside your shop every day. Don't you recognize him?
Rubbish! I came running because I saw him following you into the shop. If he is following you, then he's your dog, and you are his master. Otherwise, he would not follow you,
reasoned the shopkeeper.
You actually believe that anyone who is followed is the master, and the one who follows is the servant. How silly you are,
said the minister.
It's not silly,
argued the shopkeeper.
It's the truth.
Is that so? In that case, let me ask you something. The dog followed me, so I am the master.
The minister asked.
Yes, that's right,
the shopkeeper said.
And then you came in, following the dog. Does that mean the dog is your master? Because you followed him?
Said the minister, bursting into laughter. The other customers joined in the laughter. The shopkeeper looked very sheepish.
Okay, I'm sorry. Come out, you silly animal,
he said, carrying a sweet to tempt the dog to come outside. That day, the dogs had a feast.